Everything I do is whoa. At the bench, jumping out the bag.
Good morning. Let's get to it. We early in the morning. I'm looking for some nice movements today. All right, hold on. Let me see. Something real simple. We don't really have any news today, which means we got to take advantage of the open, or just take advantage of, the quick movements we have in the first kind of like 30 minutes of the day. Good morning. I know it's been a minute, man. It's been a couple weeks. But we're gonna get it in. We're gonna get it in, man. Appreciate all y'all hopping on. But all right, so let's really get into it. I am bullish. I really want let me show y'all on the daily real quick. I'm bullish on US 30. The only reason why I'm bullish is I feel like we have just tapped, not just, but the past couple weeks, we have been in this demand zone right here, this daily demand, and we've been holding. I don't know if y'all see this on US 30. We've been holding this demand zone. So for me, we just created like kind of like a double bottom. So what I want is for price to come up and at least test this high here in the next week or two. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I want price to come up and test this high, and then from there kind of see where we're going to go. But since we're holding and we've already taken some liquidity here on this daily, I want price to continue on up. So that's why I'm looking for buys. Let me take this off real quick. If I go down to, there's no real gaps on the 4 hour. Let's make this a little bit. We got highs. We got all of this that we want to take. All of this up here. But there's no real gaps I see on the 4 hour. And there's no real gaps that I see outside of the one we're currently in on the 1 hour. I do see that we could possibly come take these lows here before we push up. That might be something that we want to pay attention to. Let me see something real quick. I just want to see. Yeah, we got Asian low and London low, so that we might end up pushing lower, taking out these lows before we get that big push up. We are at this 200, so that could be a reason why we continue lower. So we either gonna get a nice selling opportunities to take out these lows, or a nice buy opportunity to push up. It's just depending on what price wants to do. I would prefer price to come down just a little bit. Y'all know me. I like my premiums and discounts. If we going from this from this low to this high, let me see where we sitting at. That would be somewhere down here as far as a discount goes. Now, whether price comes down there, I don't know. We might just literally take some liquidity and then push up, or just push up from where we at, because we are in a 1 hour demand right now. So we're gonna sit tight, kind of just see what price wants to do. If it gives us the momentum that we need, considering we did just take out this low. If it gives us that momentum, then I would get in for a nice buy. But I kind of want to see some bullish pressure up. Maybe take out these highs and then come down, or come down lower and then go up. That's what I'm looking at right now. Don't really see anything else. Y'all know me. I'm only sticking to these two pairs. I'm sticking to oil and then US 30. Oil and US 30 are the ones I want, that I'm going to be sticking to for at least the beginning of 2025. maybe Q1. I got XRP here. I don't know if y'all know, but I also invest, or I just started investing into like stocks and stuff like that, crypto. And XRP is one of them that that says Forex, but that's not true. I'm just, taking a look at. I put some money in at like $1. I think it was $1.90 is where I put money at. I'm gonna probably buy again at another dip, so probably somewhere down here is where I'm gonna buy in at again. If it comes back down. Probably gonna buy the dip again, but I do think we're gonna end up hitting $5 at some point. I don't know if y'all into that, but if you are, you know what I'm saying, maybe this is one that you could pay attention to. If not, disregard. But that's what I'm invested in right now if y'all trying to get into the crypto or to the stocks type shit. How y'all holiday been, man? How y'all been feeling? How y'all been locked in? Y'all got y'all goals set? How y'all doing? Talk to me. I know it's been a minute, but we trying to run up a bag all 2025, man. You been sick all New Year? Yeah, I was sick too. Last week I was sick. I don't know what the hell was going on, but I was not feeling my best at all. And I damn near didn't trade, but I think last Monday I traded. Not Monday. Monday or Tuesday, one of them I traded. But yeah, I was out of it. Trying to see if we're gonna get a little push up right here. We did just take some nice liquidity. And we're below the 50% on this. I really do like this. If this closes anything like this, I will definitely get in. Let me see how big that is. Damn, that's a big ass stop. Go sit down. Let's see what it look like on a 1 minute. Ooh, I like that. I prefer this be above the 200 though. It would need to be above the 200 for me to get in. But I do think we're gonna take out these highs. So we're gonna see. We did just take sell side, so we're gonna be patient with this one. We're gonna lock in all 2025, y'all. I'm really not playing about, my goals and what I'm really trying to do with 2025, my content, my fashion, all that shit. I don't know if y'all follow me on IG or not, but tap in if you're not, man. Tap in if you're not. You said I be putting that shit on. Appreciate it. This all this year, I'm really about to really like get into my bag with it. Try some new shit. This is a big ass fucking candle, fam. But yeah, I'm gonna try some new stuff. Really try to get out my comfort zone when it comes to like fashion. And then we gonna run it up as far as content goes, you know what I mean, on the YouTube channel, because I do want to show y'all more than just trading, you know what I mean. I kind of want to show y'all my personality too, so we're gonna get into it. We're gonna really get into it. I prefer to not have to get in all the way up here. What does that 1 minute look like? I'm gonna let it do what it do though. Let me see what it does. It's playing around right now. We about to be in that macro. So I kind of really want to pay attention to what it's trying to show me, if we're going to continue lower or not. This 15 minutes about to end like this, so I do think we're probably going to go lower just a little bit. With this 15-minute ending, about to close like this. I don't know. Part of me is saying wait until the hour close. I think the hour close is going to give us a little bit more, just kind of like an idea of what price wants to do. I don't know. It's like we got 14 minutes left in this candle. Are we going to flip? Is this candle going to flip? The odds of that is very low. So I kind of just want to wait to see if we should be taking a sell or continue buying. Oh, we pushing up though. It's a big ass stop, fam. I'm gonna be patient though. I really do want to see how this hour closes. I know some of y'all looking at Nas, so I ain't even gonna ask about that shit. It really do look like it's about to take off. But I want to see if it closes above this 200 or if this flips. If this flips, fam, I'm gonna be mad because that's kind of where I wanted to get in down here. But now we're getting that displacement. So it could come back down and then go up. If it does that, I'm going to get in. If it just takes this high, I'm probably not going to get in. Kind of got to have like a little bit of discernment when it comes to whether we should get in or not. When we got candles like this about to close. If this pushes flips though in the next 12 minutes, we probably would have missed our opportunity. You say you took a W on not. What time do you be trading? What time do y'all be trading? You already took a W on Nas unless you get in like before open. If it's like Nas is about to go, it's about to take off. I got in on Nas market open. Okay. Got in after liquidity grab right before the open. Oh, so y'all get in. It looks like with Nas you gotta get in like quick. You gotta get in quick. So you said I started looking at the charts around 9:20 EST, which is what, 8:20 my time? Makes sense. Makes sense. I'm going to be patient with this one. I do think we are going to take this high, but I just want to be patient with my entry. With us creating a displacement here, I'm hoping it will come down before it goes back up with that next hour candle. But it looks like this hour candle is about to flip. It looks like this hour candle wants to flip. We also have our next 4-hour candle that's going to come in, right? If this, let's just say this 4 hour candle closes without, creating a new high. That'll be good. And we can just get in on the 4 hour wick to continue up. That's crazy though. That was beautiful. Beautiful, man. Let's see if it show us something. It's 8:50. Come on now. I'm really just looking to take that high and see what price does after it takes the high. Remember, y'all, we live trading Monday through Thursday. From now on, no Fridays. We are going to bring back the back testing. I'm trying to think if I want to do. I'm probably going to continue doing Sunday mornings, but it's probably just going to be like 11 a.m., 12 or something like that. But we're going to bring that back, not this week, but probably next week. Especially since now anybody that comes in moving forward is paying for it. So, we got to get everybody's money's worth. Make sure I'm doing my part. So we're going to bring back the back testing. We're going to bring back, it's really not back testing. It's really forward testing, going over all of our trades that we took for the week and answering any questions. So we're going to start that back probably next Sunday. 1, 2, 3. See, we got these 3 candles leaving the displacement. So if we can get price to come back and tap into it before it hits that high, that'll probably be where I get in at. Create some sort of smaller time frame low, or just come down just a little bit for me. I'll get in. If it takes that high first, I don't know about getting in. I ain't even looked at oil, to be honest with you. Don't start. Look like the oil's just been going, man. It ain't really been giving no setups, to be honest. It's just been going. Really, the setup's been happening like while we not on the charts. These lows. Ooh, it's about to hit that high. Look like it's about to flip. We're gonna wait though. We're gonna wait on this hourly candle to close and see if we can get something good at least. Most of y'all already took a dub already. So are y'all taking a second setup, or do y'all be done? Y'all looking to take another setup? I'm done for the day. Left the runner on Nas. Sheesh. On a Monday, that's good. All right, show me some. Show me something. I'm gonna have to start. I'm gonna have to start working on my aggressive entries in 2025. I really don't want to. I really want to wait on my confirmations. Like this right here is the displacement I would usually wait on. But considering how close we are to this high, I don't know if we're going to come back down. Like, and according to my strategy, this is where I would get in if price came down. But yeah, we taking that high. And it's about to, that hour candle already flipped and took the high. I still think we're bullish. I don't think we're going to be bearish at all today. So it's just a matter of me just waiting at this point. But yeah, we're probably gonna have to tweak a little bit of my entries to get in a little bit more aggressively so that I'm not missing moves like this. Like this right here is just beautiful. End up taking that high. So what we can expect right now, or at least I'm hoping, is that now that we've taken the high, we would trace just a little bit and then continue on up. The hour candle is going to end in about 4 minutes. So as soon as we do that, if we can get an entry coming back down, hitting that 5-minute fair value gap right here. Let's see what that 15-minute looking like. Yeah. We're gonna see. You see how we coming down after we take the high? That's why I want to take the high first. Like I want to get in before we take the high. Cause now I gotta try to figure out if price is going to continue up or we just gonna continue down now. Depending on how we close. But if you did take this and then I'm getting in, that's a dub. I don't know where I would have got in at though. Probably somewhere like this. What the daily looking like? Bullish. I do feel like we're gonna come at least try to tap into this volume imbalance right here before coming up even into this fair value gap here. I think that's where we're going, but gotta get a good entry, to be honest with you. The best entry probably would have been here. Now, during that 850 time, we did create that fair value gap, so it's just about being patient and seeing if we're gonna come back into it. But yeah, the daily is definitely bullish right now. Come on now. I don't know if it's my shit or just TradingView is just on some shit today. But this right here is a beautiful move right there. From this low to this high, we traced into a discount, tapped into to take these highs. All right, 1 hour, 15-minute about to close. So I kind of want to see. Ooh, I hope it don't close like that. It's an iffy candle, man. That's a nasty candle. Still says bullish to me though. I don't really see it flipping bearish, but I just need an entry in. Just waiting, man. This is beautiful. No bearish candles, all bullish candles right here. I guess I could have got in off the 1 minute right there. But we gonna see. I'm still gonna be patient. Hopefully I can get into some before 9:30. Cause around 9:30 I really don't want to. Really 10 o'clock my time. I really don't want to be trading. This one might take a minute before I get in anything. Let me see what gold doing. That one might take a little minute. What's gold? Gold is consolidating, man. We can. Ew. That's an ugly ass candle. It's looking bearish, but that's an ugly candle. I'm on the right one, right? February or March? Yeah, 30 going, man. It's not gonna come back. That shit don't look like it's gonna come back for me. At all. The initial move would have been this right here. But that's not really how I usually get into the market, which is why I'm saying I might have to tweak my entries, like secondary options as far as my entries go. 1 minute probably would have been the best move. My stops probably would have had to been like under here though. Tap into this fair value gap. 50-point stop. It's just the RR for this shit. It wasn't it. It is what it is though. It's going. That shit's not stopping. I'm looking. I really want to sell on gold, but this candle right here is iffy to me. This 4-hour candle. We did just tap into it for value gap, so I can see why we're rejecting, but this 4-hour candle is iffy. We're below the 200 on both the 4-hour and the 1 hour, depending on how this 1-hour candle goes, but we're about to tap into this fair value gap. So I just want to see what price does. We did create a new low here though. Is gold what we gonna trade today? Let's see. You want to get out? Come on. Go. Oh, man. Gold looks like the only opportunity as far as depending on, I don't know. I just really want to see what's gonna happen. I like the sales, but we kind of in the middle of price right now. I really want price to come up a little bit more and then flip bearish. I'm more leaning towards bearish movements for gold though. I don't really see any bullish movements right now. Yeah. Let's see if we get a little opportunity. We're in a good little spot. We're in a good spot. I think we might come touch this 200 though. So I'm gonna wait for that. Target would be one of this low, preferably. London push up, New York selling down. Yeah. I'm gonna go for these lows. Gold got a sell set up forming on the 1 minute. You see how quickly that motherfucker just changed just like that? I do like that we just took buy side right here. So if we can get some sort of displacement, I'll take that. Oh, let me get my shit together. I really do think we're gonna go a little higher though for some reason. But since we did take this, I'm gonna wait for this 5 minutes to close to see what it's gonna look like. But I do like the sales. But for some reason, when we're so close to this 200, I don't think we're not gonna touch. You know what I mean? Like we're too close for us to not come up and retest that 200. But you never know. Let me see what the 15 minute look like. We're gonna take what we can get. Let me get my shit together though. I'm probably gonna take this sell, but I'm gonna put my come on now. I'm gonna put my stops. I mean, I'm only gonna take one contract for now. All right, I like this break of the candle, so I'm gonna take a sell right now.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in on this one, and then I'm gonna do.
Order filled.
All right. I'm in for the sell on this. I do think we could possibly come up just a little bit, so I'm gonna have my stops at a point where if we come up, I'm prepared for it. All right, we're gonna go for a little 2-to-1 risk to reward. Again, I'm only on one contract on this just because I haven't traded gold in a minute. I have not traded gold in a minute. I gotta figure out how to show you guys like my trade as well as like my P&L at the same time. We're gonna work on that though. You said it's supposed to snow Thursday and Friday. Where you stay again? You in Texas? You in Texas or you hold on. Show me something. I need like a big push down. Give me some volume. It's 9:15. We need some volume. I do think we're either gonna come down from here and go lower, or we're gonna come up, retest this 200, possibly the 200 that's on the 5-minute, and then go lower. Like, you know what I mean? Come up to this, because we're so close to this 200 on the 1 hour too. So I can see it doing that. If that's the case, I might hop in again if it takes me out. Stops are going to be right here just in case it does that. I don't really want to take too big of a hit. Bro, we ain't moved from this spot in 15 minutes though. This shit crazy. Mondays be pissing me off. Like, we really have not done anything. Where'd I get in? Right here. So it's been about 10 minutes. And we still in the same area. I'm definitely gonna be done after this. What did YM do? Ooh. Eh. We tapped into that volume balance though. Like, I don't know if I want to take it this high after just tapping into that volume imbalance. Wasn't we just down here this morning when I was showing y'all? We was just down here this morning when I was showing y'all XRP. Remember, I said I got in around $1.90, like somewhere down here is when I got in. Back in maybe November. Yeah, around here, right before it shot up is when I got in, like in this area, and I've been holding ever since. And I'm gonna keep holding. Oof. All right, that done took me out. I do feel like we're still gonna go down, so I'm gonna be patient on this one. I might re-enter, but that took me out. I don't know if I want to continue live trading, y'all, because I don't know when this is gonna push back down, if it pushes back down. But that one took me out for. Let me see where we at with it. Oh, it did not close me out. Hold on, let me close myself out. Let's close that out.
Order filled.
And let's close this out.
Order filled.
That one took me out, y'all. For a loss on a Monday. I do feel like we're gonna continue down. I'm just gonna wait to see how it reacts. In the next about 15 minutes or so, when this 30-minute closes. Alright, that was an L for me for right now. I'll update y'all if I get back in on this same trade again. I do think we're gonna continue down, so I'm just gonna wait. It won't be on live. When I post this on YouTube, y'all gonna see the loss. Y'all not gonna see if I end up making any money back or not, or if I got in. But Discord, y'all will know if I got back in. But that's a Monday, real slow, real irking as far as me missing my YM move and then taking this. So we're going to be back at it tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we get more volume. It is NFP week, by the way. So we got to be prepared for that. I'm not trading on Friday, so that don't really matter. But Monday through Thursday, we live with it. All right. So I'm going to let y'all know if I take another trade, though, Discord. But I'll see y'all tomorrow, same time. Be on time. And we're gonna continue trying to making this money. It's an L for me right now. Again, I'll let y'all know if I get back in. And I'll drop it in the Discord. Alright. I appreciate y'all for who tapped in. It's a slow ass morning, so we're just gonna take it for what it is. Peace. L, man. Look out for more videos. Tap into my Instagram if you have not. We're gonna be running this shit up, man. I'm gonna be start doing a lot of vlogging style type stuff, and showing y'all like my fashion, showing y'all behind the scenes. Like I got a gig this weekend. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So just tap in, man. It ain't just all trading over here. We're gonna be trading, but we also gonna be showing y'all, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of my lifestyle for what it is. I am a 9-to-5, so we're about to do that. About to tap into my actual 9-to-5 right now. But outside of that, y'all gonna see my day-to-day. Could be boring days, could be something that I'm actually doing, but whatever it is, y'all gonna see it. All right, let's run it up for 2025. First trade of the week is the L, but we're gonna get that back in the remainder of the week. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.